enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the coma.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff, and hit the bell notification so you'll know every time I upload a video. So I've done one of these videos before. I've showed y'all how I do my mini twist, but I tried new products and I actually feel like I have a new favorite when it comes to the styler for my mini twist. In the past, I've always used the Main Choices Ancient Egyptian 24 karat gold gel for my mini twist, and I love it. Like, it leaves my twist soft, shiny, defined, all that. But I got sent some products from Design Essentials. I got their Almond and Avocado collection, which came with the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in. It came with a mousse too, but I didn't use the mousse. And I also got a co-wash as well as the styler, which is the honey curl forming custard with honey and chamomile. And this stuff is bomb. Like, okay, so like I said, y'all have seen me do mini twists before. Like, I've done mini twists before. But when I saw JD Winter's mini twist and she used this curl forming custard, I was like, yes. As soon as I got these products, I already knew what I was gonna do with this product, mini twist, and that's what I did. And my hair is soft, it's shiny, it has a bit more hold than what the Ancient Egyptian gel has, which I really like, so it should last a lot longer if I don't decide to take it down just so I can see the definition and have a bomb twist out. But as far as the shine, the softness, and it has more hold, this is definitely, I think, my new favorite for my mini twist. Now, it's a very small jar, and I used a good bit of it, I would say. But I was trying to use it sparingly because I wanted to last, because it's such a good product. But yeah, we'll see. But I do know that I really, really like this. But I wanted to give y'all a slight review. Like, they sent me this. This was a PR package, and they don't require me to talk about this product, share this product, none of that. But yeah, I really love it, y'all. It's been a long time since I've liked a full line of something. The shampoo, the conditioner, well, the conditioner was okay, but the shampoo and the leave-in I absolutely love, along with the styler. Now, I haven't used the co-wash yet, but I do plan on trying it. Maybe after, no, it won't be after I take this out, because after I take this out, I'm gonna need the shampoo again. But I really loved this shampoo. Like, it's sulfate free, but it's sudded up really, really good on my hair. It smells good. It had my hair so soft, and my curls were coming through, y'all. It had a little bit of slip, not a lot, but it did have a little bit of slip to where I was able to finger detangle with the shampoo in my hair. It's a moisturizing and detangling sulfate free shampoo with sweet almond and avocado oils. And y'all, I love this shampoo. Like, for real, I love it. After that, I obviously used the moisturizing and detangling conditioner. Now, I felt my hair was moisturized, but not as moisturized as it could have been had I had a deep conditioner, because this is just a regular rinse out conditioner. I'm guessing they may not have a deep conditioner for this line, but I know that this conditioner, like, it helped to detangle my hair. That's for sure. As you can see, it really helped. It has a lot of slip. It helped to detangle my hair. But like, I needed some extra, like a boost from like a deep conditioner or something. But would I use the conditioner again? Yes, I would, absolutely. Especially paired with the shampoo. Now, the leave-in, Tropical Moringa has been my favorite leave-in conditioner for a long time, along with the Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey leave-in conditioner. But this one is right on up there with it. It's a detangling leave-in. Again, it has jojoba oil and chamomile in it. Chamomile, however you want to say it. But it has that in it, and it is so good. again, detangling my hair was a breeze with this. My hair felt so moisturized. And on top of it, when I put it in, I used some of the Melanin Hair Care multi-use pure oil blend. I used that with it, and my hair felt so good. I could tell, like I could feel that the moisture was locked into my hair. And even when I came in here to sit down to do my hair was still moisturized. And even while I was doing my hair, like, you know, when you're styling your hair and your hair just starts to dry up, so it gets like real dry. My hair was drying up, but it didn't feel dry. Like, it didn't feel crispy, it didn't feel crunchy, none of that. And I attribute that to all of these products. The Design Essentials Trio, along with the Melanin Hair Care Oil, which is almost gone. It's almost gone. But yes, y'all. And then to style, like I said, I went in with this and only this, the Honey Curl Forming Custard. Y'all, this stuff, it smells good. And it, like, I love the consistency of it. Like, I love gels that are a bit on the thicker side. I don't like them to be like real watery, except for the wet line. Now that I don't mind, because it's a little thinner. This is almost kind of like, I would consider it like a jelly. That's the kind of consistency it is, and I love it. So that's what I did to achieve this style. Like I said, I was inspired to do mini twists again by JD Winters, because she used this exact product to do hers, and hers was so juicy and all of that. So yeah, I went ahead and did some mini twists, and I don't know how long I'm leaving me in, because I rarely keep mini twist in for a long time. But yeah, I just put it up in this because I'm trying to get it to stretch out some. But what I will say is, this says that it helps to elongate. I saw it on the website. It says it helps to elongate and prevent shrinkage, and for me, I don't think it did that. My hair still shrunk up the way it usually does, which is why I had it up trying to stretch it out some. But I still don't mind, because over the days, like with me wearing it up or however I want to wear it, like, it'll stretch. So yeah, these are my mini twists using the Design Essentials products. But yeah, y'all, I would definitely suggest getting this. Now, it's not cheap. I think it's like $16.99. I think that's how much it was on their website. So it's not cheap, but just use it sparingly. Like I said, I'm trying to use it sparingly because I want it to last. I didn't have to use a lot on my twists though, but the fact that I have so many twists is what did it for me. So yes, I give this line, I would say, a 8 out of 10, mainly because, now I don't know if they have a deep conditioner for it, but I didn't have the deep conditioner, so that's why it's getting an 8 out of 10, which is still good in my book. Now if they do have a deep conditioner, it's over. I'm gonna get it. And yeah, this is gonna be one of my staple collections, products, whatever. The Design Essentials Almond and Avocado. Y'all, this stuff is real moisturizing. So if you have an issue with moisture in your hair, I definitely would suggest trying it out. And I don't have a coupon code or nothing like that, because this video isn't sponsored. This was just sent to me in a PR package, and I needed to wash my hair, so I was like, let me try it out. And it was so good that, well, I started documenting it just in case it was good, so I could share it with y'all. But yeah, this, I like it. I like it a lot. My hair is so soft, but still, like, I could feel the hold. Like, it has a nice hold to it. So yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I don't know what kind of styles I'm gonna do though. I don't want to just wear it down. And I don't know where my little gold pieces are, like, to jazz it up like I usually do. But I'm gonna find them. Yeah, these products were sent to me by Design Essentials. Thank you so much, Design Essentials, for sending these to me for me to try out, because I do like them. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.